We've officially reached the halfway point of the semester. This week, we move beyond just asking if a process is in control and start asking if it is actually capable of meeting the customer specification requirements. This week, we will look at Chapter 7, Process Capability. While control charts from Chapter 6 tell us whether a process is stable and predictable, they do not tell us if the process is actually meeting the customer expectations. Chapter 7 introduces process capability, which bridges the gap between statistical stability and engineering specifications. Chapter 8 focuses on other variables control charts. In Chapter 6, you mastered the foundational charts, which work beautifully for standard production runs with moderate subgroup sizes. Chapter 8 expands the statistical toolkit by introducing specialized variable charts tailored for unique manufacturing and operational environments. So let's take a look here. We'll come down to week 4 and we'll open that up and we'll click on that. And you are watching the guidance and success tips video, which is required to view before the chapter quizzes and the exam will open. And then we have the chapter video review and the chapter audio review. You can stream the audio during your commute or chores to absorb the core frameworks through repetition. And the video lecture. Watch the video alongside the chapter slides to lock in technical details before starting the homework. But don't forget that you need to read the textbook. The textbook will be more thorough, and this is where all the questions for the quizzes and the exam come from. Use the winning strategy. Layer your learning. Use the dead time for audio, then sit down with the video and textbook to lock it in. I've also included PowerPoints if you'd like additional study materials. Let's look at homework chapter 7. And you'll have a video here on Six Sigma calculation. And you'll have what is CPK and CP and CPK here. And so you need to watch those videos. You'll need to complete the worksheet here. And once you do that, then you'll be ready to take the C7 quiz. And the C7 quiz, you may take it as many times as you like to earn 100%, but it is time limited to 60 minutes. Next, you'll have the Chapter 7 quiz. The Chapter 7 quiz is drawn directly from the text. It is time limited to 15 minutes and may be taken one time. Be prepared to take the quiz before you begin. And we'll open the homework C8 materials, and you'll have a video here on moving charts, and you'll have a question sheet. So you need to open that up, and you have the information and complete that sheet, and you'll be ready to take the C8 homework quiz. And again, you may take it as many times as you want to earn 100%, but it is limited to 60 minutes. You have the Chapter 8 quiz, which again, the Chapter 8 quiz is drawn directly from the text. It is time limited to 15 minutes and may be taken one time. Be prepared to take the quiz before you begin. And down here, we have the answers for the C7 and C8 homework, and you'll be able to review those after the due date. And this week, we have 2 What Are They Talking About videos. The What Are They Talking About 7 deals with the drill press. Even a common tool like a drill press has variables. If the machine isn't capable of holding the tolerance on your blueprint, the process fails. And What Are They Talking About 8 deals with bearings. Bearings are the backbone of moving machinery. Understanding the different types allow you to manage the reliability and quality of the equipment your team operates every day. You may take the What Are They Talking About assignments up to 4 times, and I will record your highest score. The target concept video applies our chapter topics to real-world management scenarios. You may take it up to 4 times, and I'll record your highest grade. This week includes Exam 2, chapters 5 through 8. I've provided an Exam 2 study guide to help you prepare. Each exam will draw from a pool of questions from each chapter. Each exam will be different. The exam is 50 minutes and is one attempt only. And I think that's all I have for instructor guidance this week. You can contact me using messages or by email, myers-d@mssu.edu.